Good morning, Cameroon. Good morning, Africa. We salute all man. Where he don't find a chair, she don't, because prophet he don't finish enter for inside his church. When prophet he enter, he say no noise, he don't get for be for inside church, because he get talk for country people them, and when I talk we come up for Bible. Today we get plenty things and for send and for upside. If he talk to no vex, because tomorrow it could be a turn for neighbor, because this life it is turn by turn. We don't first talk for country people and say, man picking na they ever see woman in like him. So tell you na he talk before they come for conclusion for marriage. And when woman accept for married man, that means say the woman na has wife. He get for the call that man say he husband, and husband get for call that woman he wife. But why today don't come be na the one way? Why? Woman for house, he not they do your work again. Since that they don't give una one day, say me una celebrate with mass, when I go come out talk, say this so thing with massa if you do woman if you do pass am. That means said now, woman and man they compare now for inside house, and it creates trouble. When you married man, that means say you get for do what way you get for do, what way woman get for do. But today woman now say he get for work he on work to me master work work, because now comparison now. So the house girl he don't come implicate himself for inside marriage. When the house girl and the last turn now housewife and then drive housewife. So housewife them they don't decide give all work now for house girl, and house girl them now they torment their marriage. When I go sitting way house girl he don't do them with picking for the house. She don't quiet, because we know the height, no nothing. We show them for learn people them. When I go, excuse me for the image, but the time go reach. Now we go enter for inside strong number. Chapter 1. Now palava tip. Tip boy them when they don't catch them for sight for Douala 2. I say tip boy them when they don't catch them when they the thief seize Okada them for sight for Amilele. Thief for Share New Bell, go for Munkam, go for Cemetery the New Bell, Sute go from Kolulu. That one that doesn't go for side for Casino. So they don't catch them, and then they call to him and say, to him and can't see that boy them where they keep New Bell for inside confusion. Chapter 1 for the strong number. Now palava this camion boy where camion before on top so they die for side for Betua. Where they call and say Oliver. And when we don't show them, they be go come out their body for side for Betua, they bring them for place where they call them for Bonasama, mortuary. Then when they be come out the cops, it not be easy. Strong number 3. Now this one when they come out the boy for mortuary. Let's go leave them. Now for the boy, for the family, oh yes, they want go with them for family. After they come out, they go leave them now for Domot, for office, for your patron, because when people work today for Thursday, patron it never pass, work at them they never pass, and then when they remove the cost for Friday for Bonasama mortuary, patron never come, and worker they never come where their colleague don't die. So they carry them, they carry the cops, go leave them for before the company for site for Bonaberi. Same story in top 70. Same story for sharp morning time. In the time we say, if you want follow widow, may you ask the widow where to be key your husband. When you want follow widow, ask the for widow, whether na way to be key husband. Person we say na for we, His Royal Highness Fontana, yes, Fontana Peter, where they should have for that side for Newton and report for non-glassy, na he say na for we. Ma Rebecca is support am for side for Mfume, and then under Mr. J subdivision, and for side for Donga Mantum and for Northwest Cameroon. Now then I dey come back, we go see am all. So now we get for enter for inside Bible. For look the chapter where we get for preacham today. Chapter 1 not matter for thief for inside the water town insecurity. They say this boy them where gendarmerie national don't succeed for catch them. Now boy them where they torment the whole part of where they call say New Bell. Place where they call on Bonapiso. Place where they call on say Ndange. Place where they call on say Munkam. Kanyabasi. Nkololo and send Sone Nkololo, kilometer send and for side for Casino, worry for the year poto and then enter the rest. Then when they follow the time when they see some Okana for side where they call am for Army the there. Population come out, they enter for side for Ngange. Ngange come out, follow them. They enter now for side for Cimetière for back Cimetière and then they come out for side for Gardefu. As they follow am, they want go come out for Grand Camion. Now anyway, Gendarmerie Nationale, if you don't turn you back for pick up, say when I enter inside. Now when they talk to so to the man who say you there, I say are there for inside capital, but they come for side for the walla. They say me can't quick. One person in the hold a knife, and so one whole collapse. Other one guy on a gun, and they say this boy them don't make them sleep. You know they catch people for New Bell. Sleep not be the catch people them. Since that they catch them, they don't call me say they so. Yesterday they don't sleep, fine sleep. No noise enough there for upside and no panic enough there for inside uprising. Okay, the people that don't work so sharp morning time, no complaint. So with the time Gendarmerie Nationale for the water tool for the good work where they don't do it. And we beg any landlord or landlady when you accept person for rent your house, try for no way to where they work because plenty now the people then where they can hide for inside house them. Well, I don't know. Well, when I don't know. So me when I try for the make investigation for know where to wear your tenor in the work for N11. Another one na accident where we don't show am for site for Betwa. Accident where cannot afford on top this boy where he named na Oliver and na picking for that side for Sina village for under new subdivision for site for Northwest Cameroon. Now the boy this where cannot a clear on top of for site for Betwa. And this boy, if he drive camion for some company, where's one time when I will see his name? Then when we ask and say this, so for Cameroon, when you be worker, that means you don't turn a slave? No. How this boy he die? Company no get time. Patron no get time. You colleague they no get time. Now how? So anyway, Wimboom community then go make thing with the column. Where people it be been a number for Thursday. It won't be Friday, they go for Bonasama, for go commodity, for mortuary, because they don't move them for Betwa, bring them for site for Bonaberi. Me We will see now how they will go come out to the cops for site for Bonasama mortuary. Yes, we will see them. Then when they move on for inside mortuary, they say they so direction they go now for the company. For go see their colleagues say they so this matter now how where will they never come for die for when I come be. For us the patron when they so this boy not be the work now for your company or if the one now for your own company. The one they reach for them now, they see that boy Okada. The one they look for inside the Okada, they meet up all he paper them whether they ever pay they and where they carry name for the company. Where the show say they so if a full worker for this company. Now they don't reach. I say they don't reach for play where this boy if they work. The boy all he name now Oliver. And I don't tell when I say he come up for Sina Village under new subdivision. Now time this way, Kobia a carry am for that side for motor a bring am for here. Because the Wimbum community they be vexed. Say no na so they get for make for their brother and for their pikin. So they talk say so it not go happen. And it not get for be so. Now whenever we dey try for sensitize any man when a patron say person wey dey make am before they call you patron na worker. And patron get for respect to worker because if worker no dey, patron no go exist. And if patron no dey, worker no go exist. Why we dey overgive respect only for patron no respect a worker. Now mami dem that they don't come out, even the woman dey. Why they don't vex, they come out the coffin, the cops. They say no, the coffin it go remain for before the month for the patron. Since they don't show say they so if they neglect worker. This Wimbum community, they go make them like that. They don't leave them for them, they go them. They don't go leave the cause for them, they go them. That's what happened for Friday. They say that's so, the cop go remain at them, now they go. Go put the photo. I may recommend you now. Go put the photo for them. Yes. So that one patron go to the office, he go climb on top the coffin before he pass. When you want to enter, he go clear on top the phone before enter for inside the office. We don't understand how this country they go. Last, now they name for the company that. Now the company he named that for play with the boy with the work. Population come out outside. They come out for side for Bomono. Someone they come out for side for Susa. Someone they come out for side for Tico. The one they come out for town they share NS. That man with the white behind. Now share NS for Tabiken Village under Nkambe Central. He said today, all Wimbum people that now share that. Now share that. Now share Tashe, big share and big title holder for Sina Village. For play where the boy he come up. Now for this title man he come up. So they think no over vex them. They say no, not so they get for treat worker. Even how. He come back now. Patron come now for backside. Say they so media arrange. Arrangement alamiam say they go give 200,000. Family said they know the same pikin. We all be being assembling with you come. For can't cry the die when we say you don't lose your worker and your worker our brother. It not be being a palava money. So now when the title man in the social talk say this so no person where is there for inside this company and when a Wimbum a boy or woman me man not broke something for that company. He said this so me they just stand so until police will come. If police come, decide to carry all them, me carry them. Now time is when he says we call round 4. Say we in community for side for New Bell, me then come. Now that boy in a motorcycle that. The boy where a accident will come die. Now a motorcycle that. That motorcycle he turn up for outside. He turn up now for office for play where they work. The motorcycle he turn now for the company where they work for day. But why the patron not get time for this cops? Last, they don't go reach now for just office before then talk and then the company is signed. The patron sign, say this so me they go bury the boy come back, then say self, they could make cry die and then hand the envelope with the hand for the family. So nothing that will happen. We leave that one now, we go for which one? We go for Palava, this is one now. We go for time when they will carry the boy now for go to for village now for night. Now time this when they will carry him for place where we sit down. And he be now for night. After where Joe he don't go settle the matter. then go carry him now for night. When I see him now for night, now for a very dumot. Now they place that where they will keep him. So before they want carry him, they go check and whether the very boy there for inside the coffin before they carry him. When I look him, because if where they don't change him, it be possible for the owner. When I carry him outside, when I open and look him, when I just keep cups after when I just can't carry him, if you know, I say me when I put him down, look him whether than the body day. When I feel come somewhere they don't move part for the boy's skin, now he lock him now. Yes, lock him. Correct. I say me you lock him. When I know the year 12, when I year 13, cover him. Yes. Tashe sinner. I say me you cover the coffin. Me then carry and go. Correct. When I know year command, Ade, when I carry him now, when Joe don't talk, that means they don't talk and they don't sign paper. Me man no fear. When I waka, konya go bury this boy before we see the next step. For Cameroon, they sign paper, and then when the paper na white, it can't turn na black one. Yes. When I carry when I brother go bury him. Now for left from people them say me you know say this so when you dey work for some company, try for know when they so you get insurance. Me when I know John was say money, see now. Patron no get time. He get time only for concentrate on the money we go enter. How many camions they don't go for carry timber today? How many don't lose get rice for go with them for night? How many get for go carry that firewood pose them for bring them? If they check only money, you no get time for person. So now so they be carry them, they go with them for site for new subdivision, for site for Northwest. So Asha for the family for Oliver, where they don't try their best for solve their problem. Another one, the accident that happened yesterday, 3 people then die at the spot for site for Bomono. Like that. Now which agency they said that Global, I said Global don't interline. They want to go side for West Region for Buffers and they come down for Douala. They want me from Bangana for Target, some woman buy a shop. As he buy now, driver pick motor, he go, you know, say this other woman don't forget a change. Now when the woman start problem inside the motor, so take carry for side for Soza. Inside the turn steering, he come over a chair. Can't be now a second driver. The turn steering for driver. He and driver did fight on top steering. If people them talk say they so make driver stop. The rest so take for solve the problem for more than 1 hour. Driver working motor again for the go now for reach for Bomono. That woman again can't hold steering. Turn them. I say a broke people their house. People then die at the spot 3. One way we should over Dumont for passenger side, he don't die. Woman way we should over corner the passenger for passenger side, he die. And then the driver himself, he die. That means say we don't record 3 people. And the answer whether this one now balloon or na devil enter for this woman's skin or what really happened. Since I for Cameroon when they talk French and English, we could hear thing with this boy them when an eyewitness they go talk. Countryman, this thing it happen so what it really pass. You hear say what it. Talk me we hear.
Passé aujourd'hui ici à Bonlon. C'est le bus global. En train de venir comme ça là, il y avait un client dedans, il y avait une fille avec les passagers, qui en train un peu de discuter. Et le chauffeur était là, on est en train de discuter là-bas. Après maintenant la fille, il a parlé à le chauffeur qu'on lui a apporté là-bas, il faut qu'on lui donne ses 1000 francs. Et le chauffeur a dit que non, qu'il ne pouvait pas lui donner la moussée. Et la fille a dit qu'on lui donne, le chauffeur a réfléchi. Maintenant, il est venu, maintenant il a arrêté le volant. Il a arrêté le volant de le chauffeur. Et le chauffeur, maintenant, il a d'abord pris un gars ici qu'il voulait prendre la moto. Il est tombé ici et puis il est venu, l'autre il était sur la moto ici là. Il est venu aussi pour le gars, la moto que tu vois au sol là. Il est venu aussi lui porter. Après maintenant il a entré comme ça là. Il y avait les filles assis là-bas au bas. Et il a pris le mur ici et est venu garer là-bas. Avec le tissu que tu vois là.
Le chauffeur dit elle ne veut pas. En roulant alors elle commence à doser les coups de poing sur la tête du chauffeur. Le chauffeur garde donc sort pas avec ta marchandise, même ton argent, je ne veux pas. Il garde donc parce que apparemment il était peut-être tendu. Il a donc garé pour que la tension baisse. Bon, il n'a pas donc il a cru que ça avait abaissé. Comme il avait aussi les passagers dans la voiture, sûrement, les passagers disaient, chauffeur, amène-nous. Il a donc démarré. En démarrant, alors, il a rechuté. Il a perdu le contrôle. Il a frappé d'abord la quincaillerie et ensuite le mur de la dame là et ensuite le poteau électrique pour venir chuter ici là. Nous étions assises là. On a entendu juste un bruit. On voulait donc se lever pour regarder. Comme c'est le dimanche, il y a les enfants en route, ceux qui vont à l'église, ceux qui vont. Le temps de se lever, on a juste constaté que le véhicule venait vers nous. On a commencé à regarder pour chercher la fuite. Le gérant du bar a eu mal parce que le véhicule l'a touché à l'épaule. Il y avait aussi un en route là qui cherchait la moto pour aller aussi à Montréal. Lui, il est mort là sur place. Le chauffeur aussi, il est mort. On a aussi un frère du village là qui est aussi, il est franchement touché. On a aussi 2 de nos soeurs qui sont à l'hôpital.
Okay, Levan, when I don't hear no, now LTM it is on site. Until now we will talk to this. So, any man when something the pass for your side, you hold your Android phone so your video and you send them for we. So with the time, this ngong the way they can say Suzanne, we don't try for say me we get the video and the interview. So we thank you plenty. Say me God bless you. And with the time to man where they can say Shea Paul we there for that side for Konawata. You know they miss the program every day. Maybe come on now we talk again chapter for accident. This time around, now for side where they come and say for Meno. This countryman he don't come out for meeting. Well, after we don't drink member for meeting and then chop. For the going back for house, he said the member the oversweet. He could continue for bar. He go for bar. In the pump member. Now anyway, ma come the way they come say Africa. He the ever talk say Mulaba man. So this man the nang Mulaba. That way don't reach for your head now. He come on that on top. Him tum. I talk Okada. For the look direction down for house. In the fly. Since that mean they control you. Motor never back. Pum. Give chance for road. You the inside corner for road. Give chance for road. Give driver one go this side. Here you go. Here one go this side. You go. Driver you step as for Cameroon. Block motor them. They run with speed for night plenty because they get their own market or their business where they do am not that. Now anyway in that can pam. Say me give chance for road. Since you waste time. A jam and pam. Sote ye fought a cut. Therefore ye not fought in no day. A cut. They don't find and sote go meet up and for inside bush. Also the motor will jam this boy. He be done young go since. He be done go. He forget for no say so. He don't know whether na Jesus. We don't kill him. Una sata. Where the thing if he hold you for before. When you jam person stand. When you jam person start, because when you jam run, when they will last find you na final, sometimes they will burn their motor, burn you inside. Will not be normal. And when you die with Okada or motor, not dream Mimbo. Mimbo that time it get to be your enemy. We don't take Mimbo now for Cameroon, it on a chop. My one come up for sham morning time. From say me go take thing way go chop. He go buy a beer for sham morning time to drink am. That means say na on breakfast. Will not be normal. Now in this now. Okada, he says he get for go sometime for mortuary. Oh, sometimes for go now for garage. But the driver they go now mortuary. So we talk Asha for family where they don't lost their brother for this accident. They say even photocopy for identity card you no get. Even birth certificate you no get. Even telephone you no get. But he get money for doing a mimbo. Why? Anyhow we dey. Lucky say we dey one. If they be dey then 2 or 3. Sometimes we for the tongue and say 3 people don't die. But God he never accept. Anyhow we dey now for LTM. When we talk now Palava borrowed for come over side for Baminda town, go for side for whom? Now this. I say now this. The first rain don't come pass. Now condition for the road is. Second one can pass. And is that they tell we say, hey, no matter the rain way go come. Go easy. Okada man as he don't carry this passenger with all this kako. Now 25,000 we don't pay for come up Baminda go for whom? 25,000. He did the same man one come out here for go for Congo Brazzaville. And then they say, man, one come out of this country and for Cameroon. Now, do this when we don't sing them. They say it is on a song, but guitar a jam for inside for so many people in the dance. See road and a national road number 11. Oh. Where they come up, Baminda, go for Ndop, go for that side for Wainama, go for Takini, come for this side for Mbamkikai, and then come for Ndu before they come back go for Mr. J. Now national road number 11. When they pass Mr. J now, it go down, it go for side for Womb before it come now for Baminda. Now they do this. When they answer when they say contractor where he take this road. Now the very contractor where they dig road for come up for side for Kumbo, can't reach for side for Mr. J. And at the meeting come out to for social media to say no, we still there for come for this side. Because we know they understand. People that were womb, but men where ISO, they suffer. They suffer. One Nagi for that side, they say that's 75 francs. One Nagi. One savon, one cube savon for that side, they say that's 600. Some side they say that's 700. For one bottle mono, they say that's 1,000, 1,200. That big mean the way black, where they ever beat her. They say for that side, if you don't get 1,517, you don't fit touch her. And now for Cameroon we dey. Now for Cameroon. Now when we don't talk say this, so may we start the vote governor, how they vote for Nigeria. So that any governor can concentrate for work in your own region. We don't carry someone say mayor and parliamentarian. They pass their time for doing a different thing. And when them we get for bring development. Although one and Richard, when the parliamentarian for side for whom he don't try his best, so they be breach. And they say the national road. So council, if you go make na only maintenance, say council no get no right for touch up because the national road. I ask them, this law is the put winner for down or the jail for up. That law say they not get for fixed highway road. If they put the country for down or they check the country for before. People that never Cameroon where they get money when they retire this road. They retire this road for inside 1 month, 2 months. It finish. But go try. Go try. Small time you will just say this so a matter then for court. Say you not get no right for fixed route. But population is the suffer. When we put some law, say man not get for do this one, me we will put them, say now we get for the do and me will do the work. When I don't vote law, man not go fix them. Me when I go fix them. Yes. Man go last swim for years like say he don't turn a mud fish, you know correct. Now we will go have a side for Mondemba. They say God strong. Some people they don't know the day with Satan. Woman way don't born 3 picking them. That means say God don't bless them. Anyway, doctor they talk. Doctor they talk say they so they picking them. They can't quit. Can't quit. Say they picking them they can't quit. And the mommy today can't quit. That means it shows that they so all them the day for fine condition. Yes. So when God is blessed and so, may we say we support the family. Yes. May we say we support for Bible and for Cameroon for semi person support person na trouble. We will support people that are Mimbo. The other one be born for Duwala carries today they cry every day. Now few people them go Samaritan where they go drop money for Meleki. Now few people they go buy milk for kind support. Man they take money for goes help person where a lack. Now the mommy that when I see the person where he get money for his for feed this speaking them, no. But the one that will talk say so when I support this woman, man will call you say no, General MOKO, who say you number day, and we go take the number so no fit call even a girl for even talk say thank you mama as you don't keep the picking so the last born. You know go call, then go take the number. It not be normal. When you know the help, no say this so the way you go be sick, God could punish you again plenty. When you come a rich man we know the help person. That one not a rich person. Yes. So we talk Asha for the picking them and Asha for the mommy and the pa. Where we could hear the pa sometime tomorrow because men will go for that side. We begin for interview so that me talk and then interview the woman and the doctor. Me then talk how they feel support this woman because they will honor for support people them where they don't get. Live and countryman. Me any man fix his chair now because the one way when I go see him now. Sometimes some people then go collapse. If you don't see about LTM, that means you make na total losses. If you know to watch LTM television, you then a lost person. You not gonna know what will happen for country. We return Gendarmerie Nationale and police with team for anti-gang. for the whole world where they do fine work. When we talk say for married woman, you the married woman for can be housewife and for work in the way housewife you get for worker. Why woman then for today they don't decide leave their work now for house girl? Plenty married there where you get problem because say house girl they can't work fine, cook chop, a test for mop, master chop, a sister they so this girl is a bit cook, he go drive the men housewife and then take that house girl a turn woman for us. Because woman for us herself ain't no for cook. Now why that we don't go recruit person way now house girl with the sabi cook. That means say you don't carry granite, can't get for arata. Arata go see granite liver. Plenty women and they so when they there for marry house, they not sabi cook, they not sabi wash clothes. They are only for go for bed. After come out, she don't chop, sleep, not be normal. Mommy, when you born, girl picking, start the TG, how did they ever cook chop? Because now, good woman way sabi cook, where it is she done for marry house. Now, we will see am. I'm not gonna talk because this thing will happen. So, me self General MOKO enter for inside studio, come out Motombo. If you married for bad family, no say one day you will cry. Match fire, me we hear. When I begin to see am.
For bad family, you must not say one day you could cry. If you marry woman for bad family, you must not say one day you could cry. If you marry woman for bad family, you must not say one day you could cry. If you marry woman for bad family, you must not say one day you could cry. Shaking this aqua, you don't marry for fine family. To me, that just does it. Manager, last in drinking. Time when you get money, they go hold you penny. Time when you get money, they go hold you penny. Time when money don't finish, all of them go run away. Time when money don't finish, all of them go run away.
Take your time before you marry. Take your time before you marry.
François, on va revenir sur la photo là. When I don't see him, I not be one for talk with my mop. I talk na true message. I pass the message na true motombo way to them along come out. Now François go still put them. Now na me I get for put my own mop for dinner. After when I don't hear the motombo where they talk concerning woman. Yes. And listen to me know. House there where you live for your house. You go work. Or you sleep for inside room. Say you be big woman. Now this thing it happen. Now this kind thing where it pass. Now for make a me when I know say this so we there for permanent danger. If camera for LTM will not be put on so. We never see am. We never see am and they ask una. If camera for LTM not be there around, we never see am. No. This kind of woman, lucky say they don't catch him. Waiting, you fit check for do and for this woman as they don't catch it. This house girl. And now say now you be chief judge, majesty. How many years you fit sentence this house girl? And we will look out. We now look out. If you say you could go marry some person, where you not going to take care for you picking them, where you could need a house girl, forget me the market, me the married is scatter. And man picking where you carry kaku for head. Wala. Wait, me post. They don't talk say, wait, when I read them. When I read that message. Huh. The woman where be brutalize this picking. They don't catch them. If now you, they give you chance for be chief judge for judge this girl for court, or if now you be majesty for judge this girl, how many years you feel sentence this ngonderi? That big book it return so. How many years you feel sentence this ngonderi? This girl will face. Let's say now first where they go take and go cry die day. How you going to pay you salary for no court picking? You can't matric picking this kind of way. Useless girl. Now when I sabi take house girl. When I begin to take them, then say house girl, if he fix them, if he spoil them. Time go reach for call, me man no call now because if you record this number, that means say inside your head where you carry them, na different thing today. Where you no fine. So put na sense for inside your head so that may they work. WhatsApp number for call. So you call the number, you don't make plenty mistake. Yes, so begin the call or you call who can answer. No. Now, leave that one. We go for Ezeka. After the way up be happen for Ezeka in Mekam, 2 people that now they then for site for Ndu. So one day for Tabiken. Yes. That one. The first one where show me can picking for that side where they come and say a dog or Nancy dog. For side for Ndu. The one where wear red trouser now picking for Tabiken Franklin. Where they be on top of Okada for side for Ezeka as rain before got a hole a day so that they pass them for that right side. Motor when as a woman with the driver, if they go on for the on side, he leave the on side, come now for side for Okada. Now so jam them, bam! Up. Then go only now that girlfriend. Where can the one go chubby so ya oh they be one do how now in this boy they so now the boy from yes dog for side for do now he be the driver now he get plenty shock. Then the boy for Tabiken way they will red he there for that side. So anyhow way they will talk Asha for them. Say anyhow way go they now only got the local them. So Francois now we nege when they come back we go calling. I don't talk say if you not get money for support any person for Cameroon, or if you not get data for your phone for video something you send them for way, that means say you no want help the program. That means say you no want help the program. So first call I get for respect the 20 second. Good morning, countryman.
Good morning, MOKO. The name phone Isaac has call from Babinga.
We use the name phone Isaac. If we fair go transfer for one man country before he come back because he don't make.
No, I've been around. I get pro television, so I need some better television. So I don't get a better one.
Yes. So now you don't come back. With you.
Yes, I congratulate the court and the children. What I'm going to say for poor red tie. And that thing where that begin the drum for that boy to work for that company. Within two community, the women drum. That the best way to live anywhere out of your village. I congratulate them. Even when the man when they call it Dashi, I congratulate you. They're the kind of thing that I want them more clean than the drum. And when you get any place out of your village, identify yourself to any cultural thing of your village for that person did it. Most especially as we do for situation with the English part of Cameroon, we don't want to go out, identify yourself for Kolesu, and congratulate that I said any problem that they get that courage to defend your own brother, defend your own sister, defend your own mother, defend your own father, so that we will live together. So this act of what they do, I don't my skin don't feed me, but so I want to talk for today for this at LTM. They begin to something, I've been very impressed. So all of them need to be careful. The better one is to put yourself for the one to work, put a hard day, we'll get the money, go for your contract, put something for it, and begin to think to come back home for the person who go home, now home, a better part to want to be your own village.
Thank you. Yes. Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning. You will come over corner noise. You get for call you. We take different person.
Yes, MOKO.
Who will call the person there outside?
From my friends.
Yes, what you get for tell me with you?
I want to talk about that accident where that woman disturbed that driver, so the accident go happen like very bad thing. Yeah, only for me, motor boy, please, for hold that woman, may not even go closer to the driver self. But if something get for happen, so now motor boy, please, for stop the woman, make you not even reach your driver corner. Then that woman, the big dance boy begin. Maybe just take the woman, go leave you for social welfare. Now social welfare if you decide waiting for do the woman. city. So thank you. Nice day.
Thank you. Now correspondent for that side for Bafman. He did talk. Hello? Hello? Okay. Those were they ready for call now. They when I time this. Now when I time for call this, yes, when I be ready, he say no, we want call. We want call. When I call now. Hello? Hello? Good morning. We take another person again. Okay, don't go. So when I don't get him with Namphon Isaac, he don't talk. When you there for some place, try wait for identify yourself. That means go register. Yeah, countryman.
Yeah, countryman.
How about you?
No better.
Who did call the person there for outside?
Now, Pastor Michael, the call from Bali.
Yes, Bali. Now we Bali.
Yes, Bali Nyonga.
Yes, don't say Bali Nyonga. Wait, don't say Bali. Then they plenty.
Okay, Papa, thank you. I be sorry. I say Bali Nyonga for me for Dingondere.
Yes.
I go talk. Bible don't talk so far the witches to live. For this one, they go give life there.
Okay, now you will be emergency. You will be live there.
Yeah, I pray for that because an innocent soul. And Bible don't talk to the kingdom of heaven. It belongs to such as this for innocent soul. So they render you say if you out there, you never get job. They take you for feeding, then you can't handicap a soul to be created by God. Then they don't need to spare you.
Thank you. Yes, we don't hear on. We salute all man for Bali Nyonga and those who they do for Bali Gachu, Bali Ram, all them where they do for that side for Bali them. So another person again. When you come where you know they for corner, where you do for corner television, I'm not going to attend to you even small. Adjutant Chef, yes, Adjutant Chef Gerard, he watch the program for that side for Ebama, yes, Ebama Goso. Yes, you see thing where they talk now you this way some man they make up. I don't know why we know one reason for this Cameroon. Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mr. Ivor, the call from India.
Yes, Mr. Ivor, we will give you 15 seconds because you did waste with time. When you hear you talk.
I call out that girl with the point that's more so.
Yes.
That girl with the car go social welfare and social welfare will determine in case.
Okay, they're not going to go for Pujalam.
No, my car go to social welfare.
Okay, but it be normal, say me woman. You marry a woman, that woman can't insist say you must bring house girl for us.
But for that one, I know that's a bit normal. You know, MOKO.
Okay, thank you for side for Limbe. Hello? Hello? Some man will tell me, say, why we know they salute people in their own village. Their own people and too for their own village, they call the program? No. So, when I know they call, we don't know the side way we go for salute. Hello?
Yeah, we want to MOKO.
How about you know, sir?
No, they fine, sir.
Who will talk the person then I which place?
No, it's that. I did for Limbe.
Limbe. Limbe, they up today. So, we hear you, man.
Yeah, the tongue about a woman way in the college of the so.
Yes.
That woman so. It make us all woman in the lesson. People come to my house, not really important. They must have been very hard. They must have been hard. We make us all woman in the lesson so that they get power to for the time for the work.
Okay.
That woman they so if we go to social welfare, no, so it's not a gender.
Okay.
I order I get them talk.
Thank you.
Good night. Good day.
Yes. We salute Limbe. We not forget my chief waiting for side for Limbe. Now Chief Henry Diko. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO. Good morning.
Good morning, countryman.
Yeah, a small scale enterprise from Germany.
Come good for 2 hours. How for Germany this morning time?
Yes, all this time I get problem with network. Even the program I didn't really enjoy and but I try to pick that place where that house help. It tortured that small baby.
Yes.
For my proposal, if I been at that George, if that pikin die, that woman to the need for kill it.
We hear you.
And my contribution be that.
Salute all man outside for Germany.
Outside.
Hello? Hello? Morning.
Good morning, sir.
How about you now?
No, I did. My name is Jackson. Anga. I did Douala.
Douala for which place?
For Miss 4.
Yes. What you give a talk for 20 seconds?
I'll give a talk about Womb Road.
Yes, Womb Road. Yes, that road for Womb.
For 1982.
Yes.
It is the day when they
Yes.
I don't see my house today. Yes. Yes. I think. And today, the man where it is fix front door them, fix all road them, it is clean. We need to type of mega the government. They do something for that road.
Yes. So when I get for the, I don't also when I buy broom. When I know they buy broom, they use them for sweep the road. When I want to say we'll do one now. Broom they not finish. Yes. Now NJANGI for site for Boya, the cleanest taxi man where they try. He on best for semi outing worker in the proper. So with the time NJANGI where they watch the program. Hello? 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 Yeah, morning now. Hello? Mami Penja?
Yeah, good morning.
Morning, how about that side?
No, Penja this side, how are you there?
Oh, we did this side with the suffer. We hear say 1 kilo cocoa for side for Penja now 20 times. That means say when are they up?
You don't bad with them for obsolete parts, everything you see.
Voila. But time way it will come down for 1,000 when I will start the call. General MOKO, cocoa don't go down.
We don't go, we don't go down. We don't really pray for God place. All time when we say we don't go down, we go down, then we pray, we will go up.
Yes. Mami Penja will hear you now, the whole world.
Yeah, I tell about that woman where you don't think that smoke the king, the killer, so General MOKO.
Yes, now we're not the
because that one na kill him. Baby woman like that one so. He go take the food, he mash the king with that. If you mash and say he get and come up with that chicken in life, what he go talk?
Now question that.
Wonderful.
So
I want the Cameroon government need to see this woman fight it. No, he pay that way they go kill Cameroon and Geramo.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Hello, how much for day?
No, they hear you. Hello? You see, nothing that will also for Cameroon. Some people are the reason, some people are not the reason. Good morning. We tell another man. Who did talk the person then about which part of country?
Yeah,
how about Boya? Come over corner television, I beg. People never Boya, they ever reason. Come over corner television or you off the volume so that me will hear you fine. Oh yeah? No, that television they disturb. Off that volume. Hey. Okay, we off it. Better than we off it. But people never Boya, people that the reason, but I don't know why this man don't come to make mistake. Anyhow, they will correct your mistake. 65060848. Now number you get for user for call and 695-539-094. We salute to Dr. Snake where they should go that side for Senkan test with the family. Hello? Another person again. Hello? Morning. Who did talk the person the dinner for which place?
Mirabel for Japuman.
Mirabel for Japuman. Yes, I been know. So how for Japuman today?
Oh, Japuman is fine, Papa.
Yeah, we be sure say to people that never enter again for that side.
No.
Yes. Wait till you don't bring them for Tori house with the EU now.
Well, I want to kill an Asha without people to want to see how they make accidents. I will get an Asha there and they had to take control.
Okay.
Then I talk to us, begin where that house there is not so. But for some way, I blame them that the woman they carry house there. So what they come and say money, but for me, no money that. Because the woman for house will able to take care of your house. Go carry house care. Woman and they their own born picking they did not say na different person born for them. They eat na your own way na different man can take care. How you do not come to. So said me even said blame na the woman they carry house care stuff. And this woman then.
Okay.
My own idea.
Yes, thank you. You want talk better talk for that side. We salute to Tabo Claudette waiting for that side for Japoma. Hello?
Hello?
Off the volume for your TV. When we correct some man, we will learn from the... We take another person. Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Who they call the person now? Eden for which side?
I dey call for Southwest for Banga Bakundu.
Banga Bakundu. I hear say they don't tie the road for that side. So, countryman, come go for Tori house. Have a Banga Bakundu and wait. You don't bring you for Tori house.
Papa, the thing where I don't see him. Now that's some more Aquarawo. I don't carry a semi look up picking for us.
Yes.
That picking wait the way they do it, you know fine. If they find say if that picking is sick, we they don't kill that girl because he don't do the way you know fine. If the match some picking for Ibele, the match as so me at the film at the cry and cry at the call. So that is not fine. That is not fine, General Moko.
Thank you, countryman.
Yes.
Anyhow, we do. Hello? Good morning. Hello?
Hello?
Off the volume. Why when I know the length of the room?
Hello?
Big man so good the next home, my friend.
Yes. No, I don't offer. Hello?
When I the disgrace man for this country, a man go come out for Cameroon here. Huh?
Hello?
Good morning. Tell me your name and the side of the call.
Good morning. I'm General Moko. I'm Simon for Catholic Church. Okay.
Yes. Oh, countryman.
Yes, countryman.
How you go the call today? You go put television on, no?
Why, brother, let them so. I have one call for talk say that will road, so that stick for that for good forest. Now we plant them.
Yes.
When I see that road, so it don't pass me. You need to make government try for take that road the way it comes from. You look at the land now. The road over small.
Okay.
So for that begin, so you find something that take it going down for social welfare. The government know how they could feel. They could feel try for see how they could be disabled.
Hello?
Hello, General. Morning.
Morning. Yes. We get you Sanot. We all man when we watch the program for that side for my 17 for Boya. So what you don't bring you for LTM? We hear you.
I want to talk about that.
Yes.
You get in this one, the real work place. They work up and down. When they carry Belena, they need people take care of it. If you don't take care of it, why you get pet guy the Belay? You know me. I would just open the gate, more punga maling with any guy.
When I say that one, we don't like him for this tutorials. Hello, countryman. Hello? You don't go. Small time will come out. They say this for ground for this wall. Person where they talk about you, where they talk about back. That means say they fear for talk for you face to face. I think that's why they make a me when I know say person where get hurt, it can't talk for you face to face. Man where they feel and man where they talk for back. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yes. I call from Southwest.
Off the volume for your TV, Southwest man.
I don't have a papa.
Hello?
Hello, General Moko.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you now?
No, fine. I mean, Mr. Jonathan Sancho.
Yes. Where do you give a talk for 20 seconds?
Yes, that's not getting the market. I don't know. Good national government, Peter, but example that way, you don't find people here.
Okay.
Yes.
Another person. Hello?
Hello?
Morning.
Hello?
Right. 650608498. Good morning. Hello? 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 Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Your name and the side where they call. The one for outside. And saying no Bonabere when I call when I explain them because those who they follow you don't know how we do. Okay. We will just accept. What you don't do for today as with you?
And I want to know concerning getting Peter innocent king so.
Yes.
And so I want to say if not for God for elect, like man don't know. I want us to say the king today or the condition for the king
they begin see day, but they don't catch that guy as they see him. They don't ask and say, if I say you be the majesty where you go judge you, how what you go sentence you for how long?
No, for me for sentence you my picking just imagine I go with the home move and I will just me too I will just kill yeah the king I will my own suggestion that I not get nothing for 10 years I don't get for
No. When they deny something for person, means some person not talk. Hello? Hello? We salute Madame Solange, where they come for that side for Cat Etage for side for Bonaberi. We salute to Mr. Tam John Folk, where they for side for Bonaberi. We salute to man where they call and say, oh, Tam for main folk for side for Bonaberi. And we salute to Marche Blessing, where they for that side for Bonaberi too. When you call, we answer, you know they talk. Better than I say, we say we do different things. Meanwhile, you day on board. Because
hello?
Anyhow, we day. Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
We take another person again where there is more. Hello, Countryman.
Well, hello, Countryman. Good morning.
Good morning. Who there for answer the call?
Nagolo from Magba.
Yes, Mr. Golof from Magba. You don't come up for boy, you do for town now.
Yeah, I live for town. Thank you.
Yes.
I want to play that woman. Where the make and do that woman do. That woman want to make for showing for me to me talk to where make and go to the do about that so because now in a woman do the do that to that like no point. Plenty for no the guy has girl the put for us. Where they put do what but they don't think they pass they must them. They must them go they go buy work. If no one they go they do the country so. Now think they have protect us for us.
Now one thing that
again. Some people yeah to go they say they material girl that do they do.
Thank you, Mr. Golof.
Well,
yeah, I don't hear how when they try for bring development for your own village.
no, thank you.
Yes, now Mr. Golof. Hello, Countryman. We salute the president. Yes, the president for that side for Bamboo and the president for that side for Mbongo. Yes, Wimbum and national president, general president. Hello?
Hello?
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. Who will talk to the president for side?
Right from Pamela.
Yes. I'll give you only 10 seconds, Countryman. Time don't catch me. Oh, yeah.
If I'm here with the emergency, I will give that 6 months in prison.
Thank you. You don't talk on the majesty. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. The program don't finish. The program don't finish. Me man not call again. Yes. Me man not call again. The program don't finish. I go talk to now they will call. Francois say fini. Yes, it don't finish. Now with the salon now where they come and say Mr. Tata Emil, where they wash we for side for Chateau. For Santa Barbara with the salute to Chez Louis, he did for us other side. And then with the salute to those with the date side for Douala, like Dr. Tamanjong Moses, and with the salute to Mr. Tamban Collins, when a president for Wakuda, with the salute to all the doctor, then with the day for us side, Dr. Saido, Malam Saido, and Dr. Maji Tanko, where they for side for St. Cantes. We greet to Dr. Nditu, he watch the program for side for Barcelona. We salute Man Jenica with the great honor we did for Jenica on place. And then we salute to those who did for Pala on place. They know they missed the program for that side. We greet all man for side for Nongla. Say we not forget to man we come say Mfon Valentine. Mfon Valentine we not picking for that side phone call. Yes, phone call and you know they missed the program. We salute to person where they come and say who Mr. Charlie. Yes, Mr. Charles. We na bar operator for side for non-glacé. Yesterday on board. We salute all man for side for non-glacé. We salute those who are there for Fred Arepo. We salute all man for side for New Bedford Casino. We salute to those who did the other side for Kilo Medicine for Marche Vanity. Yes, Marche Vanity where they watch the program for that side for Kilo Medicine and Marche Karin and Marche Matilda. And we salute those who did the other side for Kabasi. Le Michel Aubin alias Edouard. We salute to Ma Miriam with the fan club for that side for back. Jaco with Soto. We salute all man for that side for Carrefour. Ajip and those for Omesport. We salute all man for Nkwaba. We salute those who did for that side for Omesport. We salute those who did that side from Van and with the great all man for Dragage. We salute all man for Etoji and we salute Santa Barbara. We don't forget Carrefour Saucier and Mangue. We salute all man for Mangue and those for that side for Titi Garage. So Francois na SSF he will control the dashboard with all the buttons. Meanwhile, Mr. Lobe he will there for front for back camera, and then Landy Sewe na he will control the Facebook page. Although whether sometime na see that don't catch the Facebook page, he will start after see that catch him. SSF he die na die. So we are not going to succeed for get time for Facebook, but we are going to get time for YouTube after the program. So anyhow we did, we only the match fire small for see how country the work out. They call me now General MOKO alias Prophet Messenger, where they send only a message for people then where they hear. General, where the work out broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon, make Cameroon it clean, me you know the smell. And with the time those way that they try way for send way video for way to way they pass for the on-site. Yes. Another thing where I want to announce them for you because you know if I say me I hide them. When you want go make your occasion or you get anything from make and from Kambe, fair contact we. Contact to the man. It could direct you how your occasion could work for that side. When you go land for days, they go last confuse you. Take all money for your skin where you know who can see no one report where they don't make up. So any man will want make the occasion from Kambe. Me no talk say no be talk. Me no be say no be talk. Any occasion where you want organize from Kambe, where you need journalists, contact to the man first. Because the way you go for them, you go enter for shop. Now I don't make a move know. So some BB book that way we go send them for page Facebook. Me when I know plenty in them. Why will we talk so? So anyhow we did I got. Carry me now go look whether it is so Mulava mandate and for which side Africa. Yina adjutant chef the dinner that they take them for see how Cameroon they work. So we get for meet up them two for see and we salute Mr. M4. Here we be lost in my me when I picking for that side from Bot and Shea Roger. Francois, me will go hungry go kill man for the year only. Yes,